Welcome back, guys. In this episode I'll be painting the chassis, diff and rear suspension in etch primer. So what I've done last weekend, I spent the entire weekend cleaning up the chassis, stripping the paint off it. The previous owner had painted it, but unfortunately I was discovering there was rust coming through the actual paintwork. So I started off with an angle grinder and a flat wheel. That wasn't taking it off quick enough or getting into all the nooks and crannies. I tried a wire wheel, still the same issue. So I decided to go with the paint stripper, and that did quite a good job. I had about 2 or 3 goes doing the paint stripper on it, but it came up with a really good finish. Then obviously washed it off with a pressure cleaner and let it sit, let it dry. Now that obviously would have has given it some light surface rust. I've taken that off with a wire wheel and then coated it with rust buster. That was done yesterday. And as you can see, she's got a coating on it at the moment, so I'll just give that a nice scuff up. I'll coat it with grease and wax remover, and then put some etch primer on it in preparation for its top coat of 2-pack semi-gloss black. Okay. Okay guys, the family's come home now and we've got everything out of the garage ready for painting. As you can see, it's all there ready to go. What I'll do now, I'll just give it a wash down with grease and wax remover and then start putting some etch primer on it. Now it's time for paint.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me.
Okay, so that's the first coat on everything. I've still got to do the top side of the chassis and the top side of the diff as well, diff housing. I'll give them another 1 to 2 coats on everything. I'm not going to bore you with all that painting. The analogy is as boring as watching paint dry. Well, this is pretty close to it. So anyway, next step after this, I'll go up and see a friend of mine, take all the chassis and everything I've just painted up to his house, and we're going to do it in 2-pack, semi-gloss black or satin black, whatever it comes out as. So until then, hopefully I can take some video of it up there. If not, we'll see you again soon. Bye.